Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hey everyone, happy National Collection Week. Today we're going to drop our shoe boxes off at the drop-off location, so come along with us. While we're on our way to drop off these shoe boxes, I'd like to share something that I've been reflecting on this week. As I was standing in my living room among all the packed shoe boxes, I was thanking the Lord for His provision, and in that moment I felt the Lord speaking right to my heart. And He showed me in the place of each shoebox stood a child. It was as if for a brief second I was standing in a room full of children. Our shoebox gifts are meant to serve as tangible reminders to the children of God's great love for them. And for us shoebox packers, they're tangible reminders of the children who need the gospel. Maybe that's why it's bittersweet to let them go. We have a prayerful connection to every child we fill a shoebox for. Well, y'all, God is so good.
You are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all things. You we are not alone. You remind us to hold on to hope. When we are lost in pain, we cry out your name, and you are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all things. Patience, child, rest a while. When you begin, no man can mend. You are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all.
This Thanksgiving season, my heart is truly full. I'm thankful for friends and family who've helped supply and pack shoe boxes. I'm thankful for our area coordinator, Larry, and his amazing team at First Watkinsville Baptist Church. They are wonderful. And I'm so grateful for each of you. Your passion for sharing the gospel with children around the world has inspired me throughout the year. The kindness, wisdom, and encouragement you shared in the comments means so much. I'm thankful to be even a small part of this wonderful OCC community. I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving filled to the brim with joy. And as always, may God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of bringing smiles